Hi, I'm Wesley Sugarman. That's my wife Deirdre. That's Kelly, my best friend since 2nd grade. And that's the bathroom where my wife found out she was gay. Now they're my neighbors here, in Chardonnay Hills.
I just got back from running. How you doing? Oh, why does it smell like shit in here, man?
Toilet's back up.
Yeah?
Jesus. I called a plumber, but I thought the scented candles would help.
Well, now it smells like shit and flowers, so good job. That worked. What, one of your ginormous turds finally plug up the sewer system?
No, one of my ginormous turds did not plug up the whole sewer system.
I mean, if you must know, Kelly, it was because I wouldn't buy cookies from the Daisy Petal Girls.
Hey, we're the Daisy Petal Girls.
Yeah.
How many boxes of cookies do you want to buy to help support Jeff Kids and stuff?
Who doesn't buy cookies from the Daisy Petal Girls? They're like the mob with skirts.
I know, and then they proceeded to come in because they said they had to use my bathroom.
Wait. You let them in after you told them no, you wouldn't buy cookies?
Make it snappy, okay? It's right in here. Girl, oh, no, girl.
Wait, are you following us?
No, I'm just trying to think. Wait, oh.
God, you perv! Are you trying to look at my skirt? Wait till I tell my dad.
Yes, and then they proceeded to throw tampons and pads down my toilet and flushing all kinds of things in the...
Oh yeah, it's the Daisy Petal Girls.
Girls, I'm getting a little concerned.
Go away, pervert!
I'm not a pervert, girls. I'm just saying there's an excessive amount. I hope that you guys are okay, girls.
Daisy Petal Girls, honey. I had a run-in with them one time at the mall, and it was not pretty. God, I walked away with a black eye and a ripped pants. I mean, they're like out for blood. They'll get you. They'll shiv you. I mean, if you would have kept them outside, then maybe you just would have gotten away with a couple slashed tires, maybe a dead animal or two hanging from your trees.
It doesn't matter.
What time is the plumber coming?
Between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m.
Well, that gives us enough time to watch, Lord of the Cock Rings. You haven't seen that without me, have you?
No, I didn't see that without you. But I did see the girl with the dragon dick up her ass.
Oh, God! I wanted to see that one!
I know, I'm sorry.
How was it?
It was predictable.
Well, you know they all are. Oh, that might be him. All right, I'm gonna go get the movie started, okay?
I'll get the door.
All right.
Wow, you're early. You're not here at 9 o'clock at night.
So I hear your tampon problem.
I have a problem with my plumbing, but not with tampons. I mean, from what I understand, the ladies like the tampons. I don't necessarily dislike tampons. They have their uses. Okay. How about I just show you? Yeah, I'll just show you where the problem is, and then you can fix it for me. Okay, come on.
Hi, pleased to meet you. Kelly, lesbian best friend, not the tampon flusher.
You used to be the kind of person who's too smart to flush tampons down the toilet.
What?
I'm paying him by the hour. So you don't have to pay any attention to her. She's nobody. You just follow me, sir, and I'll take you to where the problem is. Okay, you can follow me up this way, please, sir. I just want to warn you, sir, before we get out. It's a little nasty, okay? But I'm sure that I'm sure that you probably, in your line of work, you probably used to.
Listen up, bud. There's no turd too tough in my world. Let's go. Let's dig in this thing.
Right this way, sir. Right this way.
Sure thing, Freddie Mercury.
Mercury, man. Oh, I just want you to know it's nasty in there. You know, I mean, they really did a number, and I don't know how they did that. How is this not affecting you? I mean, I can barely stand the stench. It makes my eyes.
All right, don't worry about it,
water.
operator. I'll take care of this.
All right, I'm gonna let you handle your business there. All right, sir. If you need me, I'll be downstairs. Downstairs.
I'll take care of this.
Okay.
Don't worry about it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Don't touch me.
Oh,
And here we go once again. Boy, that's a mess. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Oh, crap. Okay, stay. No turtles. Let's go. No turtles. No, Mr. Wizard, you're not gonna come out and play.
music. Playing on the phone.
Guys, your bathroom, please.
No, I mean that's the only one that works.
Look, that's what I'm asking you. I need to use your bathroom right now, okay? Look, when I'm finished, I'll fix everything. I need to use your bathroom right now.
Really, you can't just hold it for a little longer? I mean,
Look, you got
you don't.
5 seconds. You're gonna have a catastrophic category 4 shit, so I'm laying on your carpet and I'm gonna use your 5,000 count sheets to wipe my ass.
Come on, Lou! Come on! Where's the wrong way, Lou? This way! This way! Squeeze those butt cheeks! No for you! No for you! Come on, Lou! Get in the bathroom! Get in the bathroom! Go!
Get away from the door. God, it's like Zero Dark 30 in there, man.
That was a close one.
Shit, would you listen to that? Oh my God.
Slowly down.
Maybe it's destroying your bathroom in there, man.
Maybe it just sounds worse than it actually is. Kelly, maybe it sounds worse than it actually is. It's probably not that bad.
It sounds pretty bad.
No.
I gotta go home.
Jeez.
What are you doing, Lou? No, Lou, you're gonna be okay, Lou. It's not that bad.
Listen to these shit's amazing. You're gonna have to go in there and take that plunger. And
Fucking Kelly, do
What am I gonna do? Suck the gas out of his ass with my lips?
this is what you gotta do. You gotta save the situation, alright? You're gonna have a major shitstorm inside there with a shit top bigger than the one in the garage in Vegas.
I don't know what to do.
And delicately, and I mean delicately, insert the plunger into the bowl, and you're gonna push it hard 3 times. 1, 2,
Yeah.
3.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna take the stick out delicately.
What?
Don't you pull the suction out, but watch out for the backflash. You're gonna have shit fly all over the place.
Stop talking like this. I'm gonna be okay.
Keep going.
Listen to me.
Keep going.
You're gonna do this before it's too late.
Can't give up on us. up, buddy? I didn't think you had it in you. I know. I'm still kind of turned on too, huh? That plumber. I know. Right? Yeah. Oh, speaking of which, so I'm gonna set you up with a friend of mine at the art show next week, okay? Yeah, I know, it's exciting. I can see your excitement. Okay, so take a couple showers because this is bad. All right. So, I'll see you later. Call me when you're cleaned up. No, thank you.
Let's cut this little dirty mouse off the top. Good, one more.